In this video, I'll walk you through the professional way of setting up Fiverr seller account. Okay, my name is Kojo Nketia of SAS Media Studio, a media and a digital agency. If you are ready, get some cup of cocoa and let's move on. On this channel, we create lessons relating to website development, affiliate marketing, making passive money online, and also business and marketing. Okay, so kindly subscribe for future updates. Okay, I really love likes. Okay, you haven't started yet, but like this video. Okay, so I really love likes. Or do you understand? So just visit fiverr.com. So I'll leave the link at the description down below and also at the first comment. So just click on it and you'll be redirected to this wonderful website. Okay, so when you visit this website, so you can see we have become a seller, or you can click on join. So just click on become a seller over here. So basically what it means is that you are going to provide services to people. Okay, so when you join as a buyer, you are just going to you are going for people to render a services to you. I mean, do you understand? Okay, so if you want to sell, so if you want to perform a task so you can be paid, then you need to become a seller on fiverr.com if you want to become a freelancer. Okay, so you can continue with your Facebook, your Apple, or your Google account. Okay, so in this case I'm going to use my Google account, so I'm just going to click on continue with Google. Okay, so I'm going to select my email. I'm going to use this email. Okay, so choose a username, so any name that you prefer. Okay, so in this case I'm using Kojo Nketia. Okay, so make sure you, when you type in any word, make sure it is checked over here. If it is not checked, that means it has been used by someone else. Okay, so make sure it is checked. Okay, after you are done, it's okay, just click on join. Okay, so your account has been created. Okay, so click on this icon over here. All right, so go to settings. Okay, or just first click on become a seller over here. So ready to start selling on Fiverr? Yes, click on continue over here. Okay, click on continue. So make a successful Fiverr profile, just click on continue. Okay, so now let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. Okay, just click on continue once more. Okay, so now you are going to type in your legal name. Okay, your full name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this. Please enter full name. Okay, so I'm done because this is my first name and my last name. Okay, so the display name, I'm going to make it Kojo Nketia. Whether I don't know whether. Okay, so the display name is going to be Kojo Nketia. So when someone visits my profile, the person is going to see Kojo Nketia. So make sure you add a profile picture, a nice profile picture. Okay, and you can create that with Canva. Okay, with canva.com. Okay, so so you can visit canva.com. So I'll leave the link at the description below. You can create a professional looking profile picture. So click on create a design. Okay, you can search profile over here. Let's see if you can see something like that. If not, okay, so we have profile frame, okay, or profile picture. So let's use Facebook profile picture. Okay, let's use Facebook profile, or you can use Instagram profile picture, or let's use LinkedIn profile picture rather. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so as you can see, these are the recommended profile picture design. Okay, so I think this is cool. Okay, so when I click on this right now, so you can see we have a good looking image of it. So we can delete this image. Okay, you can just delete it, delete the image. Okay, so if you have a clean image, okay, you can just insert the image here. But if you don't have a clean image but you want to remove the background, okay, of that image, or if you have any image and you want to remove the background, you can use remove.bg. okay, you upload your image over here, click on upload. Okay, you select the image. I have image over here. Let's see, I have an image over here. So I have some images over here. Okay, so I can just click on this. I need something nice. Let's see. Okay, so I can use something like this. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so you can see that the background of the image has been removed. Okay, so I can click on download to download it. Okay, so I can come back to Canva. Okay, then open this image location. Okay, in the folder. Then I'm going to just drag. Sorry, I'm going to drag it over here, or I can just come to the upload section. Okay, I click on upload over here. Okay, so as you can see, it is uploading. So I have an image also here, so I can just click on that. Okay, then make sure it fill in the space. Okay, it's an old video, so as you can see, so that's how it looks. So if you have a nicer image, that's cool. Let's see this. Let me delete this. I think there's some color correction I need to do. So if you want to add, if you want to change the color or something like that, you can just click on edit image or photo over here. Then you can change, you can click on adjust over here. Then you can add some color fill to your image. Okay, so that is it, something like this. You can bring out the brightness, you can contrast it. Okay, and then something like that. Okay, then you can lower the highlights or something like that. You can bring out shadow. You see something, you can just play with these things to bring the better out of the image. Okay, so you can play along to get a good quality image. Okay, but if you go for a shoot, you can use the background cool and then you can do it. So that is all. So if you get, yeah, let me download this. Okay, you click on file, they click on download. Okay, and make sure it's PNG selected, or you can use JPEG. So I click on download, and you can see it is downloading. Okay, so it is downloading, so I think it's done. So when I click here and click on open in, so this is the image that we have. Okay, so when I go to Fiverr, and I click on this image over here, then I can select. Okay, so I can select this image, very nice looking image. Okay, profile picture, professional profile picture. And when someone visits your profile and sees a nice profile picture, they will feel you're a professional guy. Do you understand? So you go and find something. Okay, so here you can share a bit about your work experience. Okay, cool project you have completed, your area of expertise, and so that is all. So your better still, you can use ChatGPT to help you with this. Okay, you can ask ChatGPT to write you an experience, a work experience for a particular job that you can do. Okay, so if you are into graphic designing or anything, just write a good description about this, about what you offer. Okay, and make sure all what you can offer is added in the description. Okay, so graphic designing, website development, anything that you can render as a serviceman or a freelancer, just add it to the description. So after you are done, you have to select some languages. Okay, so the language that you understand, if you understand a lot of languages, use a lot of languages. So I'm going to use English. Okay, so let's go up here. So English, I'm going to use it fluent. Okay, I'm not going to use conversational, because maybe I'm going to do, in the future I'm going to work as a translator. Okay, I'm going to use a third party to do a translator, but if someone finds out that I just use English for conversational sake, no, and I think I'm not going to get this job. So it's good you use fluent, so that it will add a kind of natural to your service rendering. Do you understand? So that is all. So you can click on add to add more languages. Okay, you can click on add new here, so you can add more languages. So after you are done with everything, just click on next. So okay, here is compulsory, I work. So I'm just going to write anything, click on continue. It should be 150. So I have to go to ChatGPT and write a description. So I'm going to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to test out this and see. Write a Fiverr description for a graphic designer. Let's see if they are okay. So welcome to my Fiverr gig for graphic design as a highly skilled and whatever. So yes, so they have, oh come on, stop generating. I'm okay. So as you can see, so my expertise spans across a wide range of graphic design services, including but not limited to this. So ChatGPT, let me click on regenerate. So ChatGPT can give you a nice description, so you can just go and put it to your Fiverr account. Okay, so I think the network is a bit slow over here. So as you can see, so this is what ChatGPT is offering us. Okay, so welcome to my graphic design gig on Fiverr. So I am a professional graphic designer with 5 years in experience, whatever. So I'm going to copy all this thing. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so so any skill that you have, just type it over here. So let's say teamwork over here. Okay, so teamwork. So experience, intermediate or expert. Okay, then add. Okay, so you can add as much as skills that you can add. Okay, so that is it. So you come to the education. So if you went to the university or whatever, you have to select it over here. So come on, first the country of the university that you went. So let's say I'm in Ghana. I'm going to choose just type in university, SAS Media. I'm just going to use SAS Media College. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah, it's cool. So SAS Media College. Maybe in the near future I'll be developing a college. Okay, so I'm going to choose it like that. Okay, so the title I'm going to choose just BA. Okay, then the major I'm going to use graphic design. Okay, so yeah, maybe let's say I'm going to use 2021, then click on add. Okay, so any school that you went, you can just type it over there. Okay, so if you have certificates, you have to just type in the name of the certificate and the institution that instituted that certificate or that handed you this certificate and the year they handed you that certificate. Okay, so if you have a website, you can provide the link over here. Okay, so you can provide your link over here. So that is all. After you are done with everything over here, just click continue. Okay, so you might, okay, so I should be having 2 to 5, okay, of your strongest skills, but I have, make sure you have added years of experience. Okay, sorry. So here, so let's say from 2016, more than that, to 2023. Okay, I'm done. Click continue. All right, so linked account. So you can link your Facebook, your Twitter account. You can link your Dribble and your Vimeo account. So if you are okay with the account linked, you can click continue. It's very important you add your account so that they will get a lot of information about you, so before they can hire you. Okay, so the email is verified, so you can add a phone number as well, but it's not a required feature. Okay, so you can click on continue and create your first gig. Okay, so you are almost done, so click on edit. Okay, so they are saying confirm your phone number, provide your certification, and add your personal website. Okay, so it's important. Okay, let's go to the profile over here. They said we have to add a certificate. Okay, wow, by 4 certificate. Okay, so basic, let's say something like graphic design. Okay, so you can join a lot of online free courses that you can get certificate to. Okay, so that you can use it. But if you have a professional certificate, you can just put it over here. So I can say maybe Google, the year is, let's say, 2016. Okay, let me say 2019 that I'm going to add. Okay, so I did courses on Coursera. So in my gig, my Fiverr account, I use that certificate to do that. All right, so for the website, I don't know. Okay, you can use your Facebook page. If you have Facebook page, you can use your Facebook page, but I have a website though, sharpytech.com. Okay, so that's all. You click continue. Okay, so click continue over here. then you click, you have to add a phone number over here, so you click on that, you select a country, you enter your phone number. Ghana. Okay, just click and select Ghana. It's almost, select your country. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, so you can verify through SMS and call. Okay, so I'm going to use SMS. Just go and click on SMS. So a code will be sent to my phone. Then I am going to just enter the code over there. So as you can see, it's in. Okay, so click on submit code. Okay, so your phone number was verified successfully. Okay, click OK. So now add a security question. Okay, so in which city did your parents meet? I'm going to choose that. Then my answer will be ask my mother. Yeah, so that's my security question and my answer. Okay, to answer to my security question, if you are done, click finish. Okay, so your verification complete. Your phone was successfully verified or verified successfully. Thank you. Okay, so we are done. Click on finish. All right, so your seller profile is all set. Now go ahead and create your first gig to start selling your services. Okay, so click done over here. So let's wait for them to redirect us. So now we can create our Fiverr gig. Okay, so I'll leave this for a special video. Okay, so if you want me to create this video, how to create a service for people to start hiring you, just leave it at the comment section. I'm going to do that for you. Okay, so kindly subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe so that whenever I upload a video, you are going to be notified. And like, so it helps the channel grow. Okay, when you like it, it tells me that I should create this kind of videos and you like it. Okay, so that is why I am begging you to like. So let's meet next time. Goodbye.